Okay, so how to bleed the brake system. So right now this is a new installed brake master. So most likely there's still air in the system, and what we need to do is to bleed it. Bleeding meaning remove the air, and this is called the bleed valve. So this also applies with cars and other hydraulic brake system. So the first thing to do is you press this and hold it like that, and then you open the valve there, then to release the air, and then after that you close, and then you release like that. All right. So that's how to bleed. Open, I press, open, and then close. Wait. Doesn't work because we don't have the small. Anyway, ganito na lang. So, press. So, I'll open this.
Which one is pressing the
Yan.
clutch?
And then, close here. Huwag mo na release. Again. Press. I'll open. I'll close. Release. Then, press. Open. Close. Release. Yan. Press, close here, release. Yan. So press, close here, release. Yan. So that's how you bleed until you feel restriction here. Looks like it's okay na. Yeah. But we do feel it more. Maybe a couple. Yeah. So again, I'm not using the right tool, but that's what we have. It's fine. Okay, press, open, release. Press, close, release. Okay, I think that's fine. I don't see air coming out.